Let's say there's an area on the field that we want to put a fence around. We want to make a big rectangle that's 30 meters long and 20 meters wide. How much fence do we need to buy? Well, first of all, if I just want to calculate the perimeter, 2 times the length plus 2 times the width is going to give me 100 meters. But then somebody says, we have discovered that 2 gates need to be installed, as shown on the second figure. Each of these gates measure 230 centimeters. I certainly don't need to buy a fence to go in front of the gates. So I need to subtract the length of the 2 gates from the amount of fence that I need. The units for my gates are centimeters, so we need to convert to meters. Again, using the shortcut method, I'm going to write 230 under the centimeter unit with the decimal. From centimeters to meters, move 2 places to the left. And move the decimal 2 places to the left. This will give us 2.3 meters as the length of each gate in meters. Since I have 2 gates, 2.3 meters plus another 2.3 meters equals 4.6 meters. Now we need to subtract 4.6 meters from the 100 meters of fencing. We need to buy 95.4 meters of fencing. Sometimes we have very irregular shapes and we don't always have a formula for them. So we have to use a little bit of common sense. Plus, the figures might not always be drawn to scale. Let's look at this shape where all the angles are 90 degrees. If I wanted to find the perimeter, I might say I've got 8 plus 4, but I don't have this measurement. I'm going to have to stop and calculate. If this side is 8 meters, from here to here would also be 8 meters. But I only need to include this part of the 8 meters in the perimeter. How do I find that amount? If this measurement is 4 meters, this one is 4 meters too. So 8 minus 4 would give me 4 meters for this part of the figure. What about this length? If it continued all the way to the 8-meter side, and this side is 10 meters, then it would be 10 meters. But this is not as long as the 10-meter side. I'm going to need to subtract from 10 to get the length of the shorter side. If this side is 4 meters, then this length is 4 meters. So 10 meters minus 4 meters would give me 6 meters. Now I can find the perimeter. 8 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 10 8 plus 4 is 12. 4 plus 6 is 10. That's 22. 22 plus 14 is equal to 36. The perimeter of this shape is 36 meters.